integration 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to x with respect to x. This is equals to 120 divided by log to the base e whole raised to 6, and the value of integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 with respect to x equals to gamma n. So this is the gamma function, and in this gamma function n is nothing but called parameter. So let us solve this question. For solving this question, we are going to use one important logarithmic property, that is e raised to log a to the base e is equals to a. This is the important logarithmic property we are going to use to solve this question. What is the property? E raised to log a to the base e equals to a. This is a very important property, and this property we are going to use to solve this question. So in this question, 5 raised to x can be written as e raised to log 5 raised to x to the base e, and as far as this property, the result is again 5 raised to x. So instead of 5 raised to x, we are going to write this in place of 5 raised to x. So LHS equals to I equals to integration 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to x with respect to x, and in place of 5 raised to x, let us write e raised to log 5 raised to x to the base e. So this is equals to 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by e raised to log 5 raised to x to the base e. This can be written as integration 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by e raised to x log 5 to the base e with respect to x. Here I have utilized logarithmic property. Now let x multiplied by log 5 to the base e equals to t, and differentiating with respect to t. So we get dx equals to dt divided by log 5 to the base e. One more information, we had x multiplied by log 5 to the base equals to t implies x equals to t divided by log 5 to the base e. So we are going to use this information, as well as dx equals to dt divided by log 5 to the base e. Since we are following here substitution method of integration, so we need to change the limit as well as. So limits from x to t need to be changed. X limits are 0 and infinity. We already have t equals to x log 5 to the base e. If I put x is equal to 0, implies t equals to 0, and if I write x equals to infinity here in place of x, then t will also tends to infinity. So the limits are remaining same after converting from x variable to t variable. So we get I equals to integration 0 to infinity in place of x t divided by log 5 to the base e whole raised to 5 divided by, and in denominator we get e raised to t, and in place of dx dt divided by log 5 to the base e. So this is equals to 0 to infinity t raised to 5 divided by log 5 to the base e whole raised to 5 into 1 upon e raised to t multiplied by 1 upon log phi to the base e dt. This is equals to 0 to infinity t raised to phi divided by e raised to t multiplied by 1 upon log phi to the base e whole raised to 6. Phi and 1 6 with respect to t. 1 upon log phi to the base e whole raised to 6 is taken out of integration. Now integration 0 to infinity 1 upon e raised to t can be written as e raised to minus t, and t raised to 6 t raised to 5 can be written as t raised to 6 minus 1 dt. Why I have done this so? Can you guess? You have written here 6 minus n so that there is an exact matching with the standard formula of gamma function. Here e raised to minus x, here e raised to minus t, here x raised to n minus 1, here t raised to 6 minus 1 implies n equals to 6. So we have converted given problem into standard gamma function in form of standard gamma function. The result of this gamma n, that is a gamma 6. Therefore I equals to 1 divided by log phi to the base e whole raised to 6 multiplied by gamma 6. This can be written as gamma phi plus 1 divided by log phi to the base e whole raised to 6. And we already know that gamma n plus 1 equals to n factorial. Therefore I equals to 5 factorial divided by log phi to the base e whole raised to 6. Factorial phi nothing but 120 divided by log phi to the base e whole raised to 6. That is nothing but RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS proved. In my next video, I am going to tell you how to evaluate integration 0 to infinity x raised to a divided by a raised to x with respect to x by using properties of gamma function. So meet you soon. Meanwhile, you also try this question and keep your solution ready. So that's all in this video. Meet you again with this solution of this question. Meanwhile, wish you good luck. All the best.